Hey guys. Okay. So, a bunch of people might be watching this, but people from my school. I know, right? Yeah. So today, I'm gonna be telling you people that might be watching. Like, for example, jasiel, jashayla, and maybe Carolina. Those are my friends, but jashayla is not. So I'm gonna be giving people out gifts, but not on Animal Jam. I'm gonna be giving them out on Movie Star Planeta. Yeah. So it wasn't working. It was like loading, making me like wait for a long time. Yeah. It's not loading really fast, so I tried to reload it a bunch of times, but it doesn't work. Help. This picture might make you throw up. You know what? I'll just take it out. Bye. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, okay, so today, okay, I don't know what I'm doing. So I am gonna get people on this camera. Okay, let me pause this song because I don't really want to sing. I love that song. Oh, look at what this elf is calling me. Oh! Stupid elf. Wait. Look what this elf called me. How dare you, you stupid thingy-majig. You're such a jit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I almost cursed. Yeah. You know what? I'll just do this, like, I'll trade bad stuff. Oh, no. Okay, I'm just going on Animal Jam. I really need to pee. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. So I'm gonna find a jammer that needs something. Like, if it's a new jammer, I'm giving it something. Like, dang. You know what? I'm just giving stuff to membership people. But they had to add me. So yeah. So hey yo. Okay, this 2-girl thingy jiggy. Okay, let's gift her. No. Glowing stripe, okay. Let's see what I want to give her. I'll just give her not something really good in my inventory. Like these boots. Not boots, but yeah. Happy. What? You almost said Happy Christmas. Okay. So let's see what I was sitting here for like about a whole day, but it's not loading. I'm trying to reload, but then it's not reloading. Yeah. Load. Look, guys, I just got a login error. Error. Thanks very much, Animal Jam. I just got mail, And she said, thank you. And, like, there was another, glowing stripe was the one with, she was one, like, you know. I'll just give her these unwanted cowboy boots. Well, I'll just give her something that I want. Because I don't want to be mean. I just noticed I'm being mean to Animal Jam for making these ugly boots. I'll just send her these. Christmas gift from Fuzzy. So I changed the background. There we go. So I'm telling them only 2 people could friend me because I don't want to get a lot of friends. He's not a membership. So we got this Riveray. Alright. Sugar. Okay, Glowing Stripe just gave me a gift. Oh, thank you! So she, Riveray, she friended me, so she's there. Now, a gift from Fuzzy. So Sugar, he's a person who friended me, so I'm gonna gift him this rare spider mask that a girl just gave me. Cause I might just give him this. No, I'll give him something else later. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna reply. So I went to Aldon, I don't know. I'm gonna do the same thing here. And that's the last one. So Jammer something gibberish just friended me. Oh, there she is. So we'll just give her something. I'll just give her that. These. Okay, Miss. Well, let's just give her that. So I just got 2 mail. Let's see what it is. I'm a friend. I'm your friend, and I'm okay. Oh, ton abundant. Okay. Let's give her. So I'm giving her this, because the other person didn't get it. I just got, okay. So guys, there's this person who wants to troll or treat even though it's not Halloween. I'll just treat him. Wait, let me see if I have something. Look at this person trolling me. Really? Wow. Oh, wow. That's really sweet. Shout out to that person.